Good afternoon, student. One more time we will try to understand local and global variables. This topic as per the CBSE syllabus is very important, so I am more focusing this topic. Here we will discuss the local and global variable, how it's behave in the program. So I already told the variable is declared outside the function definition, that is a global variable. If the variable is declared before the function, in outside the function definition global, inside the function it's a local. So first program to understand local and global variable, y equal to 10. So it is will be a y will be a global variable. One definition, function def inner x equal to 4. The function definition is started from here with the help of def. You are already know, if inside the def be right, that means it's a function definition. X equal to 4, y equal to 5. अब you see here, y we are already declared as a global variable. Now y is declared inside the function definition. So the you read clarification I written, variable with the same name as global variable name. This variable is same name as global variable, but it's declare again, so treat as a local y. It's a declare again, it is declare again, so it treat as a local y. It is not a global y. This y is a different, this y is a different. अब print value of x inside the function, okay, value of y inside the function. Now with this is the main, that means outside the function definition. Print before calling of the function, when how the program is execute. I already told, first the main part of the function is run. So this is the main part, this is a global variable. So before the calling of function, value of y is what? Y will be a this 10. Inner, then function call, the function will go inside, then what will be happen, and then we come outside the function, then what will be happen. So run the program, we will run the module. Now you see what output is coming. This output is before calling of function y. So that means this statement is run first. This statement is run first. So the value of y will be 10 because it's a global. The global variable is available. Value of x inside, then the function is called, so it will go here. So it will come here, value of x inside the function. What is the 4? So 4 is the value. Value of y inside the function, because it's a local variable, it will always print the local variable first. So this is the y will be 5. Then the function nothing is available, it come out, print after the calling of function of y, it is again, because inner value not come outside, so it is again come the 10. This is the meaning in this program. Okay, now we will come in the another program. Okay, another program is this. The same program copy paste, but only the change in this line. Here previously is written y equal to 5. Now I write y equal to y plus 1. Up the meaning you try. So same program, no other place I make any changes, only this place I try to change. So now the y is not declared here. I am updating the value of y. Okay, so what is written, try to modify the value of global variable because it's not declared. So that means you are doing the changes in the global variable. Try to modify the value of global variable inside the function. That is the meaning. That means the local variable y reference before assignment. That is this line meaning is what? The local variable y, okay, and you are assigned to the value is y. Okay, so that means you try to make the changes of value by. The value by is the value of y is a global variable. You try to make the changes of global variable value by, otherwise local variable by referenced before assignment. You are using this by, okay, using this by before assigning the value. Okay, it is not accepted here, and by it not accepted because you are assigning the value to the same variable. Okay, otherwise you remove this line, it's not a big. Try to modify the value global variable inside the function. Okay, then same, same. It will, what will be happened? So it will generate an error. Okay, line, the error, the same do I copy and paste it from there. Local variable by, because by treat as a local variable, because it treat as a local variable, it's not have the value of the by you are assigning to the same variable, then it treat as a local variable. The meaning is this: we cannot update as a global variable value inside the function. Okay, global variable value why not update? If suppose the program have the two function. Okay, this is inner, one more is the innermost function is also available in this. Okay, and their same by that function is also using, innermost function is also using. So this function will not return on value, okay, outside. If it is not written outside and you change this function value, you try to change this global variable value, then innermost function what y value will be accepted. So that time the inner value will be by will be no, by will be wrong for the innermost purpose. Due to this reason it not allowed to the, so it treat as a local variable only here. Okay, up now you see, then we will come in the error, this will error local variable by reference is assigned. So now how to make the changes of the global variable, that purpose we come in the another program. Okay, before accessing of this by the same program, okay, before accessing of this by I make the global by. That means those by I am using after this one, after this statement, it always treat as a global by. It is not treat as a local by. Up now we cannot make a local variable after this statement inside this inside this function. So try to modify the value of global by, then same value of x is what, value of y inside the function is what, and after before calling of the value of y is what, after calling of value of y is what. So we will run this one program and we will check it what output is coming. You see, first value of x inside the function, x is the, so 4, sorry, before the calling of function by value by the 10. Okay, because value of y is not changed, so it 10. Then it will go inside the function, so value of x inside the function, x equal to 4. The value of x inside the function, x equal to this. The value of y, it is updated by plus 1, so it will be 11. After this one it come outside. Okay, so after calling of the function, so after the calling of function the value of y is 11. That means it is updated the function, those value make the changes, it is updated in this global also. Before calling of this function the value was by 11, but after the calling of the function, so you can make the change with the global variable in this manner. Okay, so you are able to understand now this concept. Okay, this concept is try to change it, it produce an error. and this concept is the local variable by is not come outside when if it is declare inside the again. So now we will see one more program. Here you see the program to understand local and global variable the same. Now the function name is given Maniram. Okay, this is the main. A equal to 20, B equal to, I not declare any this is a 2010 is also a local global variable. Okay, because it's outside the function. And now A20, B10. Before calling function A equal to 20, before calling of function B equal to 10. Now this function will be called. So it will go here. You see what is happening here. You B plus 2. B plus 2. B plus 2. Now where is the B variable? B is not available inside this function definition. So that time it accept B as a global variable. You are not modifying the B value, you are only using the B value, so it is accepted. Okay, you are not changing the B value, you are using the B value and assign the another variable age here. So will work because B will be global and A is a local. Here A is declare again, treat as a declare again, so it accepted as a local variable. Now see A plus B. This A you are using, that means A is what? A will be a already have the value, so it will treat as a local variable. So will work both A and B is global, that is not. B is global and A comma C is local. This is the meaning is here. A is already have this value, B is a global variable value, so C will accept. This B is what? B is a global, A is a local, so you are changing the value of local, you are not changing the value of global. So this will be accepted again. Will work, A is a local and B is a global. Print A plus B. So what value will come? Can you tell? Now we will see. So here will print what value? The value will be printed here as per me. A means 20. Here what value will come? B means 10. It will come here A plus B plus 2. What will be the A value? So here A value will be A equal to 10 plus 2 means 12. Then here what value will come here? Here C equal to A value is 12, B is 10, 10 plus 2 22, 10 plus 12 sorry 22. Here what will be happened? So what value? A value will be changed. So A equal to what? A will be a 10. Now if you value of A plus B, what will be happened here? A plus B, A value is 10 now, not 12, and B value is 10, so A plus B will be 20. Okay, so print C value with the function. What is the C value? C value is 22. This output should come based on this. Then it will come outside. So any function not return reflect the value here. So here is again 20, again 10. Can we run this program and we will check it again? Run module, save it. Can we match our value? Okay, so first before calling 2010, our is also 2010. Then value of A plus B, the value of A plus B is 2022, A plus B is 20, C value is 22, then 2010. That means our program is correctly produce the output. If this statement is in this manner, we will see B equal to A. Then what is the output of this program? Okay, run module, it produce again the same thing. What you are be not have anywhere, you are try to make the change in the global variable. Okay, now you are able to understand why it produce the error, because you are trying to change the, it treat B is a local variable, but B is a global variable, and global variable we are try to change it. It is not possible without the declare the global keyword. So global keyword is necessary to make the change in the global variable. You remember it, this thing. Okay, now I am able to understand. Now I can assume that you are able to understand how the local and global variable will be work fine. So we will start next class onwards file handling, the next topic of class 12. Thank you.